how to get Microsoft Office for free. Hello, I'm Mr. UG Money, and today I'm to show you how to get Microsoft Office for free. I'm to show you 2 methods of getting Microsoft Office for free. Stay on until the end so that you don't miss a thing. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share for more notifications. Method 1. Go to your Google Chrome and Google search for Microsoft, then open Microsoft official home page. So click Office. This page will appear. Microsoft 365, Products, Resources, Templates, Support, and then Buy Now options. However, I promised to show you how to get Microsoft Office free. So just move to this icon and click it. Sign into your account. As you see, Microsoft Sign In. No account? Create one. So if you don't have an account, click Create One. Create account. Fill in your email address, or you can even use your phone number instead. Click Next to create a password and then you will have an account. However, I have an account with Microsoft, so I will sign in. So here we are. Good evening. As I recorded this video in the evening, install Office, buy Office. However, we are going to use this online, and method 2 will be an offline version. So if click here, you will see that we are having Microsoft 365, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, Skype etc. Extra. Click Word, when you need Microsoft Word. New blank document, a variety of templates. Click More Templates for more. Click Excel once you need Microsoft Excel. New blank workbook, and a variety of templates. Click More Templates for more. Click PowerPoint, for Microsoft PowerPoint. New blank presentation, and more themes. Method 2. Go to your desktop taskbar, and search for Word. You get Microsoft Word, ready to be used. Again to the desktop taskbar, and search for Excel. You will get Microsoft Excel. Again to the desktop taskbar, and search for PowerPoint, and you will get Microsoft PowerPoint, etc. Extra. However, you must have Windows 2010 installed on your computer. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share for more notifications.